minutes and 45 seconds. No good. Rebound by Galia. Drives. 1 point Galia. Rebound by Cortez. Fires for 2 points. No good. Rebound by Scabusa. Good for 1. Rebound by Cortez. Goal for 2 points and 10 minutes and 50 seconds. Axel. Good for 1. Pass to Bernades. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 point of Shuma. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 points. 3 against 10. Fernandez again, good for 1, wearing jersey number 14. Fernandez. No good, rebound by Upsuma. Cortez. 2 points again. Cortez. 2 points again, back to back. Nida. Kanyeda drives. No good. Rebound by again by Kanyeda. No good. Rebound by Byron. Galia fires for 2 points. Yes sir, 2 points. Byron Guabilia. No good. Rebound by Kanyeda. 1 point. Jersey number 6 minutes and 12 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points again, Cortez. Score 18 against 8. Good. 10 seconds to shoot. Go for 1 point, Kanyeda. Pag-bukid. May lantin mo. Cortez fires for 2 points. Yes sir, Cortez! 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Yes sir, Cortez, back to back, 2 points. Winner, B2B Nuggets. Prepare next game, Lakers versus Scout Falcons.
Ano rin may? Ya, mudula aja sih. Abot tayo mudula balik. Sos kana bahala ka na. Ay,
Libre picture.
Ayo, bang. Toto pa lang.
Prepare next.
Stop.